Are you doing some swimming? Hey, Colin. Colin.
Can't see.
Look at Mom.
Can't see anything.
Show us how you do your swimmings. You do some swimmings? Hi. Hi. Is that the cat?
Daddy, you want to say something funny? Watch this thing, okay?
And be gentle with that, okay?
See?
Oh, that's cool. It's a little secret compartment.
I wonder how do you open this one?
Which one?
That one.
Let me see. Some of them aren't supposed to open. I don't think that one's supposed to open.
Can you look at Mama? Can
Can
you
you
look
go
at
charge
Mama?
Oh, I'm not sure what the charger is.
Can you try it?